Hey guys, Rebecca Austin here from 𝗟𝗡𝗏 with another Kajabi tutorial to help you get up and rolling and solve your Kajabi questions. On the Kajabi users group, there was a question about how to put together a free offer that takes to a web page so that it's not just automatically a download, but it's taking to a web page that they can have the option to download it if they want to, but to be able to deliver that content. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that, but essentially a little side tip on this is anytime that you're putting together any type of opt-in or free offer or any type of sequence that you're putting together in Kajabi, we can do this in pipelines, but we can also put the elements together and then link them kind of like in a pipeline. In order to kind of map our way around that, because Kajabi is so versatile and allows us so many options on what we can do, the best thing to do is to really strategize what it is that you want and how you want it to flow before you go into setting up things in Kajabi. That way then you can put all the pieces together and then seamlessly integrate them for the desired outcome that you're trying to achieve. So in this case, the question was, we want the user to click the call to action, which can be either on a web page or in a Facebook ad or other social media ad. Then it takes them to their opt-in form, and then once they submit, it will take them to a page where it delivers the content with an option to download. So that was the question that was posed. So this is how I would put this together. So what we would do is, of course, the first thing that we need to do is set up our form, because we need to be able to have the specifics of that form and how we want things to flow once they opt in with the form. Then we also need our opt-in page. So when somebody does the call to action, it sends them to your opt-in page, and then we will have our delivery page. So inside Kajabi, the easiest way to do that is if we go to Marketing, and then we're going to create a new pipeline and do our freebie pipeline. This is actually a really good pipeline to be able to generate this, because it has an opt-in with an email sequence and a thank you page, which in our case, the thank you page is our delivery page. So we're going to create this pipeline. And we're going to do this as, just to name your pipeline so that you know what it is. And now we have our basic pipeline set up. So the first page is our opt-in page, which has our opt-in form. And then we can set up an email sequence for whatever we want to set up for a drip campaign, or encouraging them to go to the paid offer, or whatever it is that you want to set up on your email sequence. And then we have our delivery page. So we're actually going to change this. Instead of a thank you page, we're going to edit details, and we're going to let this be delivery page. And of course, you can change the URL, you can set up your SEO and sharing, which I always recommend, and then click Save. And now we have our opt-in, our email, and our delivery page. Now what we can do is we can go into the opt-in page and we can change all of the settings the way we want them. We can build our value. I always recommend on a opt-in page to have a video here, because it is helping you to build rapport with your audience, to really build that value with them, to get the point across on what it is they're getting when they relinquish this precious name and email address. And of course, just like any other page, we can add sections, we can edit our footer and our header, and all of those other aspects of creating your pages. Now on here, when we go into our form, we have a created demo form. However, you can change your form, you can go in and edit your form. So if, for example, we want this form to have additional information, so some custom fields, you can add those as well. change your coloring and all of those kind of things. So we can make those changes as you desire. And then what happens is when we go to this form, it's going to take them to the next step in the pipeline, which in this case is the delivery page. Now you could always go to a landing page and then select our landing page, which was the delivery page. We can do that as well. It's basically telling Kajabi to do the exact same thing. And then we click save, and now we're all set. Then on your delivery page, when we go here, we can adjust this. Instead of it being a thank you page, we want to delete this and then add our sections, which might be a video. So if your delivery is a video, and then we can also add in our optional download. So we would add a call to action, and then on the button action, we would then download a file and then upload the file here. So that's how you would set up your page for, let me put that video back in here just because I forgot to click add. And then we'll go back here and put that on the top. And of course, you know, you can adjust your header, your footer, add images, add text, and however it is that you want to do that. But essentially the nuts and bolts are, here's the delivery, here is your download. So we would change this to download now. So that in a nutshell is how you would set up that type of a sequence in Kajabi to be able to opt them in. And then of course you want to make sure you go in and change your email sequence and add additional emails or do whatever it is that you want to on that, on the design portion of things. But as far as setting it up, you have your opt-in with your form that then takes them to the delivery page where they get the content and have the option to download. So I hope that helps with the question that was posted on Kajabi, and it helps some of the others that are out there that are looking at options on how to put things together in Kajabi. If you would like some more information about getting going and getting familiar with Kajabi, feel free to visit my website at striveforsavvy.com. And we also have a new Kajabi mentorship program that you can get absolutely free at the link with this video. So thanks so much for watching and good luck. Enjoy your Kajabi as you grow and build your business.